Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ashok Shagabadista from msbofficial.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can monetize your YouTube channel and start making money from your videos. Now without any further delay, let's get started. At first, click on your channel icon and click on YouTube Studio. Okay, just click on this option, then we are just navigate to the channel dashboard. Now from the left, here you can see an option which is called monetization. Just click on this tab. Then now we can see there are few requirements to become a YouTube partner. Alright, so actually there are 4 requirements. We need 1000 active subscriber, 4000 hour watch time, 2-step verification also needed to activate on our account, and we have 0 community guideline strikes. So everything is perfect on this account. Now we are ready to apply for YouTube monetization. Now to apply this one, we need to click on this blue button, apply now. Just click on this button. Now we can see 3 steps. Step 1, review partner program terms. Now I just click on this start button. Here you can see the review sneak peek of YouTube partner program terms. I just click on this, I accept to the YouTube partner program terms and click on accept terms this button. Alright, now we are in step 2. In this second step, we need to connect this YouTube channel with AdSense account. Okay, to associate AdSense account with YouTube channel, if you are new, then you need to sign up for new AdSense account, or if you have an existing AdSense account, then you can use that existing AdSense account as well. Now see, they are asking, do you have an existing AdSense account? If you haven't, then select no. I have it, that's why I just simply select I have an existing account. Okay, if you don't have any AdSense account, then select second one. Anyway, now I just simply hit on continue. Now we need to log in our AdSense account with our existing AdSense account. Yes, you are just successfully logged in. Now here you can see a preview. We need to connect this YouTube channel with AdSense account. To accept this authorization, we need to click on accept association this button. Alright, now at this moment we will redirect to the YouTube dashboard. Yes, our second step is done. Now we are in final step, get reviewed. Now if everything is alright, then basically YouTube support team or YouTube team will review our application. If everything is alright, then they will give us approval. And after getting approval, actually we can monetize our existing and future uploaded videos. And from that time, actually we can earn money from our videos via Google AdSense. Hope this makes sense to you. Basically this way you can easily apply for your channel for monetization. Thank you so much for watching.